In this video, I will show you fix unable to launch game. Please retry reinstalling the game in GTA 5. So first things first, you need to run as administrator. Right click on your GTA 5 launcher. It could be Steam, Epic, or Rockstar. And then you need to click run as administrator. Step 2, you need to verify game files. No need to reinstall. If you're using Steam, you have to open Steam, go to library. Let's just say you have purchased and you have your GTA here in your library. All you have to do is to right click GTA 5, go to properties, click install files, and click verify integrity of game files. It will somehow fix any missing or any conflict or any problem in your GTA. Next is you need to update graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can crash the game. So if you're using NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, all you have to do is to update the driver. Let's just say this one right here. If this is your driver, you need to update this. Make sure you're using the latest version or the updated one. Next, you need to disable overlays like Discord, Steam, Roblox, everything. Turn off any overlays. For example, Steam. If you're not using Steam, you need to turn this one off or exit this. Lastly, only reinstall if nothing works. So what you're going to do is you have to uninstall GTA 5 completely, reinstall, and restart your PC. And basically, this is how to fix unable to launch game. Please try reinstalling the game in GTA 5. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.